It begins in the early morning, when the first light of dawn gently awakens the forest. A soft golden glow filters through layers of towering trees, their leaves forming a natural ceiling high above. Tiny drops of dew rest on every leaf, shining like crystals as the sunlight touches them. The air is fresh, warm, and filled with the scent of earth, wood, and distant sea salt, carried by a quiet breeze. Deep within the jungle, life begins to stir. Monkeys leap from branch to branch with incredible energy, their movements fast yet graceful, as if they are dancing through the trees. They chatter playfully, their voices echoing through the forest, bringing it to life. Bright birds glide across the sky, their colorful feathers flashing in the sunlight like moving rainbows. The forest floor, though hidden in shadow, is full of silent movement. Small creatures exploring, leaves shifting, life growing quietly. As the forest slowly stretches toward the coast, the sound of water begins to rise. At first, it is a distant whisper, but step by step it grows into a calming rhythm. Soon, the trees begin to thin, and the view opens into something truly magical. The vast, endless ocean. The shoreline is a place of wonder. Soft, golden sand meets the gentle waves that roll in again and again, never stopping, never tiring. The sunlight reflects off the water like liquid gold, and the horizon seems to stretch forever. The great Here, the forest and the sea exist in perfect balance. The trees bend slightly toward the water, as if listening to the ocean's endless song. The breeze travels freely between both worlds, carrying the freshness of the sea deep into the heart of the jungle, while the warmth of the forest reaches out toward the shore. As the day grows brighter, the place becomes alive in a new way. Sunlight pours down fully, lighting every detail, the texture of tree bark, the sparkle of water, the patterns in the sand. Birds fly between the forest and the ocean, while monkeys pause for a moment, sitting high on branches, watching the waves with quiet curiosity. Time seems slower here. There is no rush, no noise beyond nature itself. Every moment feels meaningful, every sound part of a greater harmony. As evening approaches, the transformation begins again. The bright blue sky slowly turns into shades of gold, orange, and deep pink. The sun lowers gently toward the horizon, casting long shadows across the sand and lighting the forest in a warm, glowing hue. The ocean reflects these colors like a mirror, creating a view so beautiful it almost feels unreal. The jungle begins to quiet down. The playful sounds fade into softer tones. Monkeys settle into the safety of the trees, birds return to their hidden nests, and the forest takes on a calm, peaceful rhythm. The waves continue their endless motion, now sounding deeper, slower, almost like a heartbeat. Standing at this meeting point of forest and sea, one can feel something beyond beauty, a deep connection to nature itself. It is a place where two powerful worlds meet and become one. The wild energy of the jungle and the calm infinity of the ocean blend together, creating a perfect balance of life. In this magical place, you realize something important. Nature does not need to try to be beautiful, it simply is. Every tree, every wave, every sound exists in harmony, reminding us of the importance of protecting such wonders. Because places like this are not just landscapes, they are living dreams. They teach us peace, inspire imagination, and remind us that the true magic of the world lies in nature itself, Where the forest meets the sea, there's a place so beautiful that it feels like a dream. Along the edge of a peaceful morning forest, the land slowly opens, and the deep green jungle gently touches the endless blue ocean. In this magical place, tall trees stand proudly near the shore, their leaves dancing softly in the gentle sea breeze. The sound of the water is calm and soothing, like a never-ending song of nature. At times, the waves grow stronger, adding a powerful rhythm to the peaceful surroundings. At the meeting point of the jungle and the sea, everything feels perfectly connected. The trees lean slightly toward the water, and the cool ocean breeze travels deep into the forest. Birds move freely between the trees and the shoreline, while the sunlight slowly changes its colors, from bright golden in the day to soft orange and pink in the evening. As the sun begins to set, the entire scene becomes even more magical. The sky fills with warm colors, and the ocean reflects them like a beautiful painting. The jungle grows quieter, and the sounds soften. Monkeys settle down high in the trees, birds return to their nests, and the waves continue their gentle rhythm. Standing in this place, you feel something truly special. It is not just the beauty you see, but the peace and wonder you feel deep inside. The forest and the sea together create a perfect balance, wild yet calm, powerful yet peaceful. This breathtaking jungle view reminds us how precious our world is. It teaches us to love nature, protect it, and respect its beauty. Because places like this are not just part of the earth, they are treasures that fill our hearts with joy, imagination, and endless inspiration. In this magical place, you realize something important. Nature does not need to try to be beautiful, it simply is. Every tree, every wave, every sound exists in harmony, reminding us of the importance of protecting such wonders. Because places like this are not just landscapes, they are living dreams. They teach us peace, inspire imagination, and remind us that the true magic of the world lies in nature.